Hey guys, huge announcement today from Xbox and Microsoft, and that is there's an update to the xCloud or cloud gaming platform that really dramatically improves the clarity and the visuals of cloud gaming. But I've also noticed something else that I'm going to share in this video with you. So I want to share an article that I found that details what you need to do to get this boost in clarity. Anyone can do this. You don't need a special computer or anything like that. It's available to everyone. There's a really good article I just found, which is I'll share it in the description below. But basically, what it's saying is Microsoft has announced a new clarity boost for Xbox Cloud Gaming that enhances the visual quality of streamed games, and it is exclusive at the moment to Microsoft Edge. And basically what you need to do to get access to this is get the Edge Canary browser. Now, the Edge Canary browser is essentially like the the development kit, or like the development browser where Microsoft gives you like new updates and stuff that you can test out inside the browser. You can download this on PC and Mac. I tried it on an M1 MacBook Pro, and I did notice a huge bump. I'll put some footage in the video just here. I noticed a huge bump in visual clarity, but I also noticed that it was much smoother than any other browser that I've tried. So I've tried Safari, I've tried Chrome, and I was trying Microsoft Edge. I actually did a full video about xCloud and what the experience is like here in Australia. It's actually very good. It is kind of like the first proper streaming service here in Australia, and it's really, really good. So basically what this is sort of saying in this blog post here, you will need to obviously download and install the new version of Canary, and then once you do that, inside the browser, you've got to go up to the top corner and you click on it's either the Xbox logo or the three dots. And then once you do that, across just to the right a little bit is a little icon. I'll put this on the screen, and it just says Clarity Boost. You turn that on, you go back to your game. I noticed it straight away. It didn't buffer or anything like that. It happened instantly. And basically what you're going to notice when you're driving around in Forza or you're playing Battlefield or whatever, you're going to notice that the visual quality is bumped. I don't know how they've done this. Maybe it's something in the infrastructure in the back end, but I just noticed that the visuals are much better and much sharper, and you can notice it. It is very noticeable. But you'll also notice, and this is just my experience, that it is much like smoother. The gameplay definitely felt smoother to me when I was playing. So Forza is obviously a very visually pleasing game. The graphics are pretty amazing. I often noticed when I was playing online and streaming the game that it had run perfectly smooth for a couple of minutes, and then every now and again, if there's a lot happening on the screen, there'd be like a stutter. Only a quick stutter for like a second or maybe 2 seconds. I tried using Forza 5 for about 45 minutes. In that time, I didn't notice any drops, no frame issues. It could just be that maybe it's just Canary and I don't know, maybe it's got some sort of back-end infrastructure that's different, but I think it's a noticeable improvement over what was currently running outside of Canary. So I definitely recommend that you go and download Canary right now, log into your Xbox Cloud Gaming and test it out. Drop a comment below. Do you notice that it is smoother? And do you notice in some games that the visuals are improved? I've only tried Forza so far. I'll probably try a couple of AAA titles outside of Forza in the next couple of days. But I'm interested to see if you notice a difference. Maybe comment, what hardware are you using? Are you using a Mac? Are you using a PC? I don't think the Canary is available on mobile devices. I might be wrong. Just let me know what you're trying out and if you've noticed any improvement. I think this is amazing. I love that Microsoft is really taking this cloud gaming thing seriously. They're obviously putting a lot of energy and resources into improving the experience. It was already very good, But if they can nail just that last little bit where it's just that bit smoother, we don't have frames dropping, lag obviously is something that's dependent on your connection. But overall, I'm very, very happy with cloud gaming. I wasn't sure if I was going to keep it. I paid for the $1 trial. I tested it out for 30 days. I actually really enjoyed it and started playing Xbox games with my friends. And that was like, Halo Infinite and Forza, and we tried some Gears of War and stuff like that. And the experience was really good. My ping was generally around 20 to 30, and it was very playable. Probably the only issue I had, like I mentioned, was occasionally I would get dropped frames. So, quick video again today, guys. I just wanted to see how everybody else is going with this update. Have you noticed an improvement? If you have, drop some comments below, and I'll see you in the next one tomorrow. Cheers, guys.